be a god. It's me again.
How are you doing? I hope you're doing fine. My sweet name is Dr. Alice Africa on this channel and all my handles, okay? So if you're new here, karibu sana, feel at home. Welcome to this channel and please remember to subscribe to this channel and join the family. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Thank you for always appreciating my content. I don't take it for granted. Thank you so much. Kama kawaida, remember to tell us where you are watching us from and what time you are watching us, alright? So thank you so much and remember to subscribe and I love you so much. Enjoy the video. Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing fine. I'm also doing fine. This is the first video of 2025 that I'm recording right about now. It's a vlog that I want to start, guys. And first of all, let me thank you all for your support, especially those people who have been coming through for me on my videos and all that. So thank you so much. For the hair, don't mind the hair. It's motherhood duties and it's time for me to chapa. Juu niko home, I have no nanny as usual, you know that. And I'm taking care of my babies. But nikitokelezea natokelezeanga. I wear a wig and move on. So don't mind the hair. Don't comment about the hair. Just like this video. Remember to like it, guys. Like the video. Like the video, okay? It's a vlog. I'm gonna show you I don't know how many days, but how I survived through the day, especially without a nanny, with my kids. I have 2 kids and my husband now. That's how we are living here. So I'm gonna show you a few things through the day. Guys, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and leave a positive comment, guys, okay? So yeah, let's go. Welcome to this video. Hope you enjoy. Yo guys, I told you it's Saturday. Tuko huku na mrembo ako hapa. Hi mama, you see the way my house looks like because of you alone. The brother is not here, so tuko na aka mrembo. Hi mama, kananisaidia kutoa minji because tunakaanga hivi chini kwa floor. So we are doing peas. Hizi ni minji, nataka kuzitoa. Mnaona nitatoa tu polepole tukiwa hapa na kasichana hapa kako hapa. Tutoe alafu hizi ni za supper. So this is what I'm preparing and then I go for kanyama and then I cook dinner. Okay mama, okay my smiley baby. Umetupa maji huko? Ndio hii maji yako umetupa. There you go, your water. What are you doing with minji? Are you able to remove them? You are not able? So I'm watching Diana be on this. And let me remove peas. See you later. Ready to cook. Let me go boil and now go for dinner. So I'm doing pasta, guys, in a boil. Hapa kuna minji. Mnaziona? From a distance they look good. Let me switch on the light. My people, I'm boiling pasta, okay? And this one here, mnaona ndani kuna minji zenye tulikuwa tunatengeneza na nyinyi. And then let me uncover you. This baby is over here. I don't know if she will allow me to funua. And then I did the minji, minced meat na waru. Sijui kaka katachomeka kaka mtoto. Okay, there you go. There you go. This is what we prepared. So this and pasta is cooking. Yeah, so that's what's up for dinner, guys. That's what's up for dinner. The baby is disturbing me, but yeah. Hiyo ndio nimepika supper. Our boy is back, I told you. Wacha hizi ziive, prepare tukule, tulale. Si tunalalanga mapema. So yeah. Guys, motherhood. Baby girl, we showered. Guys, baby girl amesema simalizi kupika kama hajalala, so niliachanisha maspageti zangu pasta pale nimlalishe, alafu I come back and continue cooking. So guys, I have shown you our dinner today, and wacha siku ya leo ishie hapo. I meet you tomorrow. It's on a Sunday. I love Sundays because it's my free day, like my free day I spend with my babies without being so busy. Sifuangi nguo, sifanyangi kazi mingi, sioshangi nyumba. Yo, on Sunday I rest. It's my day to rest and go to church and thank God because yo, Mungu ametutoa mbali, and I am so grateful for this far that we have come. So tomorrow is Sunday, we go to church, and then I'll show you bit by bit of how things will go. I know my camera is bad, really bad, but guys, cope with me for a bit, okay? In the next few days, yeah, I manifest and I tell God, give me a brand new iPhone because I need an iPhone to do these videos, you know? So, say amen down below. So, thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Bye. To my food, I add this because napenda hii chili. It's really sweet to me. Napenda pilipili, and since I don't have chili right now, I'm using this one, Peptang brand, and I love it.
What are the photos doing?
They will be printed, and then we put them in the house. Okay? Okay?
Yeah.
Okay? Okay? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You can't talk.
Hey, welcome to my channel.
Welcome to my channel. Hi, Kiki. Hi, Lulu.
I'm
Tell Lulu
fixing
hi.
something.
Okay, let me record
This
it.
one.
It's called? Ah, it's called? It's called? I don't know.
It's fixing. It's good.
You enjoyed?
Yeah.
What are you doing? You missed your sister? Next time we'll go with her to Sunday school.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Yeah,
we
in
go
my
buy.
time.
What are we going to buy?
Hot dog.
Tell me what we are going to buy
Hot dog.
before we go home.
Yeah.
Okay, you're looking good. So guys, we are done with the church. We are going home now. I buy a snack. We wait for daddy and go home. We enjoyed the church. I hope you went to church too. God bless you. I love you so much. Remember to subscribe.
I want a hot dog.
We are going to buy hot dog right now, okay? Good morning, my people. It's Monday, guys, and see what I'm watching this early. Yani, there's this video by Miss Trudy and Saram Tarli, and guys, see where this lady is living. Goals over goals, guys, and they're talking about this year's vision board, and it got me thinking, should I do a vision board for this year? I've never done a vision board, and I think I'll do because these ladies inspire me a lot, a lot, a lot. Saram Tali, if you know how much you inspire me, you and Miss Trudy, guys, you inspire me. Guys, please watch their video, and I'm sure you'll get one or two things, okay? So this is what I'm watching. It's Monday. My baby has gone to school. My husband has gone to work. So we are here with the girl. And that's what I'm doing as I take my breakfast, and then I continue with the day's work. Today I have a lot of work to do. I have clothes to wash, and the house, to clean the house and all that, and maybe prepare food for my family. That's all I'll do today. So today I'm home, guys. Remember, I don't have a nanny. I'm in the house. So those people who think it's not possible to stay without a nanny, guys, it's possible. I'm doing it. You can also do it, okay? So watch this video by Sarah Mtali and Miss Trudy, and I'm sure you'll get inspired. We'll see you later. Princess is our baby girl. You have a red shoe? Mama, the girl is up. Guys, say, tell people good morning. From this side, tell them good morning from this side. Mama, tell them that. Tell them I'm playing. Guys, our girl is up. Here we go. Ni masaa ya kucheza. Take this one. Playtime with mommy. So, ni masaa ya kucheza. Juu amekataa nifanye kazi. So, when she's up, I usually play with her and stay with her completely. Tunacheza na yeye nikiwatchingi content kwa TV and doing a few things on phone. When she sleeps like this, nakuwa mbio nimeenda kufanya kazi yenye nafaa kufanya. Juu haizi ni allow. Most times anataka kuniona karibu na yeye. So, haizi ni allow niende nimuache or something. So, I play with her when she's up. Akilala hivi ni mimi huyo mbio kazi. Mnaona socks venye zinakaa? Look guys, motherhood. Hizo ni mimi nitafua. Na ujue hajaanza kutembea, ni kusimama tu na ashajichafua hivyo. Sasa brother yake anakuanga another story. Anywho, that's beside the point. So subscribe guys, remember to support us and share much love. Kakona homa ni kama ni juu analialia, natoka hivi analia. So let's wipe makamasi. Chupuchu. Puchu. Mama. You're fighting mommy. Okay guys. Hi guys, how are you doing? I'm coming to you live from my house, guys. So, niliacha tumeamka leo. It is on a Tuesday, on a Monday, guys. I already feel tired. Yani, kukaa na watoto si rahisi. I have 2 kids. So, after tumeamka nikawaonyesha mtoto, alinisumbua the whole day, like ameshinda akanisumbua. Hakuwa anaacha nifanye kazi. I think she was feeling left out or alone, I don't know. I think ni juu pia amezoea kukaa na brother yake na pia nyumba imekuwa na watu throughout. So leo tulikuwa mimi tu na yeye for the first time. So she felt, I think, alone and all that. So she was behaving like anataka tu, she was clingy, like she wants to be with me and me throughout. So leo nimechoka yangu yote guys, and but I thank God. It was a successful day. I managed, and after brother yake amekuja, I actually managed to do everything, like kazi yote yenye nilikuwa nimeweka pending kutoka asubuhi sikufanya. From 3 kutoka brother yake akuje, I was able to do it because he was helping me kukaa na yeye, kucheza na yeye. So when the attention is taken, I'm able to do a lot. So guys, I'm thinking to end this vlog here. Juu imekuwa long, actually enough for me, because there's another video I want to edit, and you know this phone has an issue. Iko na mashida mingi hadi kushoot hii video bado ni mashida juu ina hang nini. So when I put too much content in it, haitaweza kuedit, and so let me edit this one and post it, so that I edit the one I wanted to post, so that I'm able to post it, guys. Please understand me and bear with me. At least hata na keep up with the pace, and I'm trying to keep up, guys. So remember to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Kama imekubamba piga like, kama haijakubamba pia piga like, haina shida. Leave a genuine comment. Tell me what you think about that vlog. I'll be doing vlogs most of the times, but I'm promising when I get a phone. Juu this one is not promising, is not okay. So naweza waambia nitakuwa nafanya vlogs alafu niwa disappoint. So let me promise when I get a phone, I'll be very much consistent. And my Premier Gang, thank you so much for your support. The Young YouTubers group on WhatsApp, I appreciate you. Guys, remember, we are supporting you. If you need support from my channel or from me, to post your link or anything, please get to me, talk to me well, and I'll post it, guys. Thank you so much. We are growing manze, kila siku napata tumechange, so I'm so grateful for that, and I thank God. We are road to 2K right now. Yani hii January mmeamua kunisurprise, guys. Thank you so much, and my giveaways will be as usual, okay? So from next video, I'll mention who will be the winner of the next giveaway, and also, yeah, guys, I'm tired. Let me just go and sleep. See you on the next one. Thank you so much for your support, guys. Remember to subscribe. Adios until the next one. I love you so much.